Meet the Candy Monster, the sweetest, loudest, most lovable machine on the planet. It's not just a vending machine, it's a full-blown experience. Packed with lights, sound, and personality, Candy Monster grabs attention from across the room and never lets go. Candy Monster holds up to 6 kinds of candy. From iconic brands like Skittles, M&M's, Pez, and Jelly Belly, plus anything else sweet you can imagine. With a playful touchscreen, smooth animations, and instant delivery, every interaction feels like magic. Pick your candy, tap to play, boom, sweetness delivered. Kids love it, parents trust it, and business owners, they really love the revenue. The iconic design is fully branded, licensed, and unforgettable. You don't walk past a Candy Monster, you stop, smile, and buy. Whether it's a mall, amusement park, family entertainment center, Candy Monster turns foot traffic into profit. One machine, 6 candies, maximum fun.